I'm reviewing this Toiletry travel bag, and thank you so much to the seller for sending this to me. So I'm going to give you a closer look at everything that this bag includes, but this is perfect if you are looking for something to travel with that has plenty of space. I love the design of this. They have a lot of cute different colors, so you can really pick one that fits your style the best. It does have where you can carry it really easily, which I really like with it. And then looking at the zipper, it does have a really strong zipper, which is something that I always personally look for in a good travel bag. It does also have the pocket on the back, so there's a lot of storage in this travel bag. So I love how compact it is and how functional it is to hold all of your belongings. Putting it up here, it will look like this, so you can unhook it. And I love travel bags that come with hooks because it just helps to save space on your countertop. Being able to just hang this up is just such a space saver. And then this will come down as well. So here's a look. You do have 4 different spaces, which I love with this. Waterproof on the front, so you can see the material, so that is a huge plus. So here is what the first one looks like. Again, super easy zippers. You have plenty of space in here. And then going down, I really like this one. This would be really good for maybe makeup, or if you're taking maybe shampoo and conditioner, that sort of thing. So you do have the little mesh pockets here. So you have these 2. And then going down to the next one, again, this would be really good for makeup. So you could use these for maybe makeup brushes or really anything that you're wanting. Of space, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different little pockets that you can use for the elastic. And then on the bottom one here, this is another just open spot. So then all you do is fold this one up, fold this one down, close it up, and then this is the size that it is. So I would definitely recommend checking this out if you are looking for a good travel bag, a good toiletry makeup bag, and I hope that you enjoy just as much as I do.